as requested, here's how to play the intro to Back in Black. So it starts with just mutes. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, which is an E minor, but I'm basically just barring the two strings here, the 5th and 4th string on the 2nd fret. So I get just the 3 strings here. Okay, then a D, good old D chord, down, up, down. Then an A, down, up, down. Then the lick, which is 3rd fret, 1st string. Then open 1st string. 3rd fret, 2nd string. Open 2nd string. And then the 2nd fret, 3rd string. Bend up, come back down, and pull off. Okay? The lick again. 3, 0, 3, 0, 2. Pull off to 0. Okay? So again, it's E minor, D, A, lick. And when you do the lick, make sure you pick down, up, down, up, down. Okay? Then again, the chords. The next part is 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. So that's 2, 2nd fret on the 5th string. Make sure your thumb is down around the middle of the neck so you can spread your fingers out and stretch. So you go 2, and then 4 on the lowest string, 2 on the 5th string again, 5 on the lowest string, 2, 6, 2, 7. And make sure you pick up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Alright, then back to the chords. And then lick. Chords. D, A, 2, 4, 2, 5, 2, 6, 2, 7. Alright, so I'll show you the whole thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3.